here we have a bike-based model that we ship in the yeah.
Okay.
So bike-based model, like these are different parts of the car. So the seat, the tank, the wheels.
वहाँ पे there are flying cars. 110 kmph. You actually use fuel in this.
Yeah, nitro fuel.
Nitro fuel.
हाँ 2 सेकंड के लिए शो यार सीन मान
Gautam Adani is the only person who did it in single generation. I mean that is really great. यहाँ पे they have a container to put goods in it, so they have some what do you say, army products. Hey all and welcome back to our channel. We are here at TechFest. तो क्या लगा अगर मैं आईटी बॉम्बे से ग्रेजुएट हो चुका हूँ तो मैं यहाँ पे ब्लॉग नहीं बनाऊंगा आपको गलत लगता है बिकॉज आई एम लिविंग इन मुंबई माय जॉब इज लकीली इन मुंबई सो व्हेनेवर वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ फेस्ट आई विल बी देयर एंड यू विल बी वाचिंग द बेस्ट क्वालिटी वीडियोस सो लेट्स बिगिन सो वी आर इन सैक राइट नाउ यहाँ पे हो रहा है रोबो वॉर्स जिसका ग्रैंड फिनाले कल होगा उसके लिए एक सेपरेट वीडियो आएगा तो स्टे ट्यून फॉर इट आई विल जस्ट शो यू अ स्नीक पिक ऑफ इट Now we are moving to the SAG back lounge. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे games हैं and वहाँ पे there are flying cars. I mean, I'm not kidding. There are literally flying cars. So this is what I was talking about. This is International Full Throttle. यहाँ पे ऐसी RC cars होती है which race along these tracks and ramps and काफी crazy होता है. अभी तो competition शुरू नहीं हुई है. जब होती है तब multiple cars होते हैं and it looks literally amazing. ऐसे एकदम cars fly करते हैं. So I will show you the clips. Okay. Have you made this by yourself? What is the maximum speed this can achieve? 110 kmph.
Yeah.
And you actually use fuel in this?
Yeah, nitro fuel.
Nitro fuel. And how much this costs?
1,001 gallon.
And what about the whole car?
1,000 1.10 means 1,10,000.
1,10,000. Wow.
4x4.
So this is what I was talking about. These cars literally fly when they go through the ramp. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Now we are moving towards the best zone if you are into gaming. Let's go. You can see this amazing place. यहाँ पे gaming competition शुरू है. I don't know which game they are playing, but it looks awesome. Let's have a closer look. यार मुझे तो आइडिया नहीं गेम कौन सा है कमेंट्स में बताओ अगर आपको पता हो तो अरे
आदित्य अच्छा या लाईक मागच्या 2-3 वर्षापासून तुला आम्ही बघतो युट्यूबवर तुझे लाईक टीनेजर कसं इन्कम बिझनेस कसे केलं पाहिजे सगळं बघतो खूप मोटिवेट होतो आज
तुमच्या मला कुठल्या क्लासमध्ये आहेत तुम्ही
आता मी पुण्याला पीडब्ल्यू ला घेतलं
अच्छा पीडब्ल्यू आय टोल्ड यू ठीक आहे हा
पीडब्ल्यू ला
कसं आहे पीडब्ल्यूचा एक्सपिरियन्स
एकदम सुपर आहे फॅकल्टी वगैरे सुपर आहे आता मेहनत स्वतःला घ्यायचं
ओके एक्झॅक्टली I want to see you guys here as a student rather than a visitor
आपकी वजह से हमको पता चला हॉस्टल्स कैसे
and we were like surprised
हाँ 2 सेकंड के लिए हमको शो
we have seen you and I was like man फिरोली to
ऋषि दादा
thank you so much for watching my videos I'm really grateful for it
because of you we are because आमच्यामुळे आम्हाला इथं तुम्हाला आवडत क्या आम्हाला माहिती नव्हतं
okay it's my pleasure that's why I make videos even though I'm graduated you saw it मुझे वीडियो बनाने का इतना मन कर नहीं रहा था पर अभी जब मैंने ये देखा I am also motivated to make more videos we are talking about this game तो मुझे तो पता नहीं ये गेम कौन सा है but if you play game let me know what is this game यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे कुछ तो हो रहा है actually what are these guys doing ओके यहाँ पे बोर्ड्स के कंपटीशन है आपको ये पता है क्या 1 2 या 3 नहीं बल्कि हजारों बच्चों ने यही पूछा है कि क्लास 10 की फाउंडेशन की क्लासेस या फिर जेई की क्लासेस ऑनलाइन बैच से पॉसिबल है क्या अगर हाँ तो क्या उसमें वही अटेंशन मिलेंगी टीचर से जो ऑफलाइन बैचेस में मिलती है एंड अगर आपका भी यही क्वेश्चन है तो देन लेट मी हेल्प यू आउट स्मॉल क्लास में आपको पर्सनलाइज्ड अटेंशन 1-on-1 डाउट्स एंड एकेडमिक सपोर्ट ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन टेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट, AI लर्निंग पाथवेज एंड अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि आपको ये सब कुछ एंड लॉट मोर एक्सपीरियंस करने का मौका मिल सकता है अपनी तैयारी के लिए, वो भी बस 99 रुपीज में, देन विल यू बी वेस्टिंग योर टाइम एनी मोर? ऑब्वियसली नो, राइट? तो ये रहा आपका क्लास 10 एंड जेई का पावर बैच, PW पावर बैच, क्लास 10 फाउंडेशन बैचेस, जेई 2026 बैच। अब इन सारे फीचर्स का लाभ उठाए और जानिए कि जेई की पढ़ाई फन और इंटरेक्टिव वे में कैसे होती है। Just by registering for a week of a demo session of Power Batch in just 99 rupees. You can use my code RUK25 for extra discount. Don't forget the link in description. Go and register for it. आपको बहुत मजा आएगा इस डेमो सेशन में। Now let's continue our video. So you can see here we have line for Jeet Adani. He is the director of Adani Airports Limited. अभी हम कॉन्वो में आ चुके हैं, सेशन अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ है, बट meanwhile I wanted to tell you a fact कि इंडिया में जो भी बहुत अमीर लोग हैं, जैसे कि अंबानी हुआ, टाटा हुआ, इन लोगों को अमीर बनने में 2-3 जनरेशन लगी है, एंड इनके बीच अडानी, गौतम अडानी is the only person who did it in single generation. I mean that is really great thing.
Thank you for inviting me here. I'm thrilled to be at one of India's, if not the most, reputed tech institutions in the company of some of the brightest young minds in the country. Young minds that will shape both technology and its use in the years ahead. This institution has given the world some of the finest minds across industries. Is the application of scientific knowledge and tools to solve problems and improve processes. Something your textbooks will tell you.
We just completed the session by Jeet Adani and we are moving towards exhibition. The session is still going on, but we didn't think that it was worth waiting there. I don't know if Adani Group will just make me delete this video or what, but ठीक है, I'm just being honest. Now we are moving towards the Techno Connect. वहाँ पे जो भी IIT बॉम्बे के स्टूडेंट्स ने टेक में प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए, इन सब का एग्जीबिशन है. दिस इज यूनिक टीम एंड दे हैव क्रिएटेड अ ह्यूज RC प्लेन एंड उनके पास ड्रोन भी है. इनकी खास बात ये है कि ये ऑटोनॉमस ड्रोन्स एंड प्लेन्स बनाते हैं. एंड वी हैव विक्टर हियर व्हिच इज सपोज्ड टू क्लीन ट्रैश इन द वाटर बॉडीज एंड we were having demonstration of it few hours ago. अभी ये बंद हो गया है, but yeah. So here we have drone ecosystem hub. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े drones हैं which can be utilized in farming, in logistics as well. मतलब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, वहाँ पे उन्होंने drone docking system वगैरह भी बना रखा है. And यहाँ पे they have a container to put goods in it so that they can use it in logistics as well. And these drones are really huge. Like if you compare it with me, like my body size and the drone body size, they have a camera as well. So yeah, and the blades are as big as my hand is. It is super amazing. How much does it cost to like make this, manufacture this?
That's not really
Something you can reveal.
something which is straightforward.
Okay, but still any ballpark project.
It comes research and development cost. There is
Acha.
some development cost.
Okay, but if you like all the research is done and if you have to sell it in the market,
Ballpark figure for these types of drones, it will come around 8 to 10 lakhs.
8 to 10 lakhs. Okay, makes sense. I had a small drone. It costed me 1 lakh.
DJI.
DJI. Yeah. What is this?
Yeah, so this is a lab, immersive media experience design. Okay, so we are a design-based lab.
Design.
Yeah, so we create augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality projects.
Okay.
So these two are augmented
Okay,
reality.
can we see the demonstration?
Yeah. So you see over here, you can directly look into it.
Yep.
It also has dialogues here, right?
Okay.
But here there's spoken. So that way you can go through the entire story.
Okay, and what is the like tech behind this? Like what have you done?
So basically, each image is a tracker.
Okay.
So the visual information is being tracked, and then it acts as a trigger to trigger the animation.
Okay, and what about this?
So this is similar principle.
Okay.
So here we have a bike-based model. Let me shift it a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
So bike-based model. Like these are different parts of the bike. So the seat, the tank, the wheels. So then you can rotate it and it will change. So it's
Okay.
customizing. You see?
Oh,
So you can basically change each part and make
this
a
is
custom
interesting.
one.
And what is this called? What do you call this?
Augmented reality.
Augmented reality.
We also have virtual reality,
Okay.
but they're starting and
Okay.
growing.
This is the best part about TechFest. We can see here we have some army what do you say army products or vehicles जो defense में काम आते हैं, and they are too huge. Here we have some super bikes as well. We are going to have a closer look of them as well. So let's start with these crazy vehicles. With that being said guys, आज का TechFest का वीडियो यहाँ पे एंड होता है, but the day 2 is going to be better and bigger. So if you want to watch the video for day 2, click here and bye bye, see you soon.